This is Evie. She's a little Chihuahua, and yesterday we noticed that she was escaping through little cracks in the fence. So today we're gonna patch it up so little Evie cannot escape. Luckily she doesn't like to run away, but we're not gonna risk it. Evie, come on. Evie, come on. Come on, Evie. Come on. Yep.
Oh, if you look, you see how this hinge is right here, like on the side of this? Look at this hinge. It's not on the side there.
Okay, yeah, like that one's more flat and this one's more curved. You can see it better at this angle.
Yeah.
But that one sticks out.
Yeah. So I'm gonna adjust that because it's easier than digging up this post and moving the post in.
Looking over here, we're gonna tighten this up.
No,
here?
I'm gonna loosen that and I'm gonna drop it so I could get to this one that is attached to this thing.
Okay.
So
you need a socket wrench.
Come on. I guess I have to completely loosen up this part here and just take it out for now, because if not, I'm not gonna be able to. Great, there we go. Put all this grass here.
Good, Evie, we got you. You know what you were doing.
I'm gonna have to loosen up this one as well. There we go. Could probably get in. It's too deep.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're gonna have to do it through your fingers because it's so tight.
Who designs these things? Still too far in.
Yeah, you can't.
What I can do is have you hold the nut and I'm going to unscrew it from this side.
Okay.
And then just put it in the thing there. Or maybe not even, maybe I could just move it from here.
It's like all the way at the edge.
Now, we'll just get it like straight here in the middle. Do you think she'll fit through this gap here?
I would say no.
Alright, so that's where we're gonna have it. I'm gonna bring it out even more. So now you know that you could just do this and you don't have to put like a ghetto railing block for your dogs not to get out.
We used to do that.
Yeah. There was a time in my life where I could have sworn that I had purchased a torque wrench or whatever. One of these adjustable wrenches where you could select the width of the thing and just kind of, you know, whatever. But I guess this is working. I don't know what this tool is called. Again, this is called Sloppy's DIY. Not super professional blues lawyer DIY.
All right, Evie. Come and try to get through the fence. Yeah, I think there's no way she fits. Good job.
It looks like my work here is done.